Is this better, 1,000 kilobytes? It seems like it's like staying more stable. Is it better than, it looks better than the 700 kilobytes, right? Is this a little better?
It's a little better.
It's a little better, see? It's gotta be better. It's 1,000 kilobytes versus 700. Are these mushrooms? Oh yeah, there's mushrooms all up in here, guys. Look, those are wilted mushrooms. It got so hot, it killed them all. Huh.
Cool.
Cool. Cool. Cool.
Boomers.
There's some boomers, dude. Yeah, my friend, he picks psilocybe mushrooms in Oregon. I don't know anything about them. I wouldn't know which ones to pick, but yeah, I guess there are some psilocybe species like
say no to free food.
in like every state of it.
Watch out for ticks.
I thought I heard somebody. God, just fucking horse flies around my head. I can't tell if it's a person or an animal.
Who is that in the woods?
I don't know, man.
Kiki ma ma ma. Maybe it's an undiscovered species.
God dang, his butt.
Jason Voorhees. Wow, this is awesome. It's like being outside through my screen. Thank Corona. Oh, cranky, it looks real pissed off now.
Dude, these flies keep biting me right in the forehead and shit.
Bring bug spray next time.
Well, thank you.
I recently got a small fly stuck in my ear, and now I have an ear infection. The Bird Witch Project.
Huh? I definitely hear somebody.
Why is that child standing in the corner?
That's me in the corner.
Hello, is anyone out there? What is your favorite Burgess? Crayon quality.
Crayon quality. Crayola quality.
Lower bitrate version.
No.
Screen is spotty. Burger, the problem is with that shirt you blend right in so it's hard to see you.
Really?
Michael Caine is behind you.
There's some people with a
This is
little
home now, time
annoying
to build
dogs.
a sleeping spot.
People behind me with like little annoying dogs. Like dogs that make annoying noises all
Mein
the time.
Freund, bist du ein Hund? There bait.
BRB.
Here bait.
You see those people? Can't we get
There
in?
here bait.
Can't we get any time alone with just us?
You're coming in fast.
I know, right? Can't get any time to ourselves. Ugh. Annoying.
They become come fast come.
Don't they see it's our time to be in the woods? We were here first. Ugh. Go back to the car.
They think you have a pretty mouth. Let's you.
No. There's some mud up in here. Just fell. Ooh. Ooh.
My dog down to swim.
Oh, cool.
Come here.
Oh my god. Woo. Guys, can you see?
He might. I don't know if he will or not. He don't bite. He's a
Oh, that's good. I hope not.
service dog.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. They're really trained though? Oh, really? That's why I like the Little Rascals dog. Do you guys live around? Scared as fuck though. It wasn't them? It wasn't them on the dog pen? I was just scared at first because there was like about 3 dogs. I was like, oh well. We see a pit bull. I was worried. Oh man. People are always scared of like what they don't know. Dogs are trained by the Woo! No. Like weighed a little bit more.
Yeah. Somebody done that. I'm just trying to cool it.
Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, that is bullshit. Guys, what up? I've on the Greenway. That's one of those people that's he's just the coast. I know. Yeah, that lady's dogs.
Please don't ban me, Daddy.
Those were those dogs that
Goodness
were.
gracious, break
Remember?
fire, you rock, bro.
Those were those fucking dogs that was chasing me on the bike trail that one day. Remember whenever I was on the bike trail and those 3 dogs fucking started chasing me?
Dog.
It was the lady's fucking dogs. She's so full of shit. She's a
Tell her
liar.
that.
She's a liar. She's like,
That is
oh,
crazy.
she's like, these dogs are trained. She's one of those people that like fucking lie and say that they're like
Young,
emotional,
and filled with dog cum.
like emotional support animals, so they can
Damn
bring their
dogs.
dogs into the fucking stores and shit.
She is a poop.
That lady's a fucking liar. Her dogs are fucking shit. Those dogs were chasing me on the fucking bike path. I almost pepper sprayed them. I almost pepper sprayed them because they kept chasing me.
Attack dogs.
They're fucking not trained at all. She's full of shit. She's a liar. She's a crackhead.
Hubby, you seen Gaff Gaddafi.
Those people are fucking tweakers. Their dogs are not fucking trained. They're fucking scammers. And their dogs were chasing me on the bike path. They're not trained at all.
That's a doggy dog world out there, bro.
Well, it's crazy though that lady tried to say her dogs were service animals and that they're trained.
Get sneaked, then get tweaked, bitch, you lovely bitch.
It's like, I was like, actually those dogs were chasing me on the bike path. Oh no, they wouldn't hurt you.
They were trying to eat burgers.
They wouldn't hurt you. Oh, you got two pit bulls running it towards you.
You.
Yeah. Those people are shit.
Oh no.
Yeah, dude, it was two pit bulls running towards me. Are you at the Van Nationals right now, Saddlebutt? Is it all weekend or what is it? How long does it go on?
July 22nd.
Oh. Are you gonna go? Sounds pretty fun.
How far are you going into the woods? July 20th.
I'm going back to the vid.
Ye. Yes. Four days.
Sounds fun. It's gonna be hot as fuck though.
Skeet, and
Staying in a van. Maybe I'll have a...
This place is getting spooky. Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go.
That's funny though that like you catch somebody in like a direct lie. And they're like, oh, my dog's trained. And it's like I've already like the lady didn't know that I've already had issues with their dogs. I was like,
there
yeah,
will be electric for fans.
I knew exactly what house it was because I recognized the dogs. I said, I saw your dogs running on the bike path. I should have, and then I remembered actually they chased me. Yeah, it wasn't cool.
Why is that lady always wandering the woods with dogs?
Yeah, they just let their dogs roam their property and shit and chase people and do whatever the fuck they want. They're not trained at all.
Keep the mace ready.
Those people probably are like sitting somewhere with cardboard
Sounds
signs,
like trained attack dogs.
getting free money.
Dog
somewhere.
doggy do doing doggy do.
They're not trained at all. Trained to attack dogs, trained to attack. Oh, I get it. Yeah. I get it.
It's about 3 hours from your town.
I get it. I see what you meant. 3 hours. Okay. Don't dox me, bro. All right.
Gotcha this.
Okay. Ooh. Oh boy. Yikes. Ooh.
I wonder if Musk is Jacob's off account. Burger is gonna need a leg massage afterwards.
I don't know, but the guy's kind of a little obnoxious, though, isn't he? You need a leg massage. I need a leg message. A leg message. Give my legs a message. They're... Keep on going, buddy. Keep moving. I got a message for him. Keep on keeping on. How many viewers we got, guys? We gotta keep going. We gotta keep going. Oh, Jeffrey thinks it's even more than slightly obnoxious. Quite a bit. Look at the tree. Look at that tree. This tree needs Cialis. Ooh. Ooh. Mm. Mm-mm.
Droopy wood.
Droopy wood. Yeah, this one's a little too. Whoop. It's almost like somebody is somebody creating snare traps or something? Like, what's going on here?
Not the desert rats.
Why is that tree like that? Thought I heard a walnut falling down here somewhere.
Probably a local hunting for rabbits.
No. I looked, there was no snare. Our dogs are trained.
Keep an eye out for Bigfoot.
Our dogs are trained, by the way. How many viewers we got, guys?
Wabbit season.
I'm on the lookout for wabbits. Hey, Doc. What you doing, Doc?
Not enough.
I'm hunting for
Treasure
wabbits.
Planet has 86 viewers. He
Wabbits?
is one of the viewers in the chat.
86. That's pretty good.
Why are you hunting for wabbits, Doc?
I'm gonna make wabbit stew. Whoa. Whoa.
Wabbit stew? Oh no! What you want, Doc? Is Doc?
How did I turn into Marty McFly at some point? I like morphed. Chat. What up, guys? Talk to me, please. Getting my exercises in. I gotta burn off all that candy I ate at the whatchamacallit, the parade.
Burning Van art stream.
Burning Van. Burning Van. Yeah, they had something Burning Van thing they called it, where they burnt like a little tiny cardboard van at the RTR or something. I wouldn't hype it up too much. It's probably gonna be like less than Like as far as like whatever they burn or whatever is probably
I
gonna
don't
be.
think I saw one person throwing
Smell.
apples at people. That would have been a better choice.
Apples. Yeah. You get hit with those suckers, man. Bung. Get a stick in the eye. One girl kept pelting me with candy. I was like, can you stop throwing candy at me? And then she's like, oh, this guy's a bitch. He doesn't like getting candy thrown at him, everybody. That's
You
what
can
she
take
said.
my spare cover.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Apples are
princess.
healthier.
Didn't mean to hurt you. That's what she said to me. What a jerk. Oh.
Sounds like a real tough chick.
She'll probably be a teenage mom in like fucking 3 years or something. Fuck her. That's what this town does to you. It makes bitches mad pregnant. Everybody here's like having kids at like 18 and shit. It should probably won't be any different. Ugh. No thanks. Sounds like a nightmare. Be stuck in this place forever.
The insults will continue until morale improves. Young girls are having babies everywhere.
Yeah, it's sad. Babies having babies, yo.
Yo, it's these babies having babies, yeah? I ain't down with that. So why don't you wait before you procreate? A message from Global Corp. So why don't you wait? Hi, I'm Twitch's Burger Planet. Here to tell you, internet, why don't you wait until you procreate? A message from Global Corp. Word.